Online course creation explained step by step. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. Online course creation, then step 3, I want to talk about marketplaces and platforms. Before you start even creating your course, I want you to be thinking about where you're going to be putting your course to sell it. And your basic choice is either on marketplaces or on platforms. And we'll talk about these in a little bit of detail so you understand the difference, because it does impact on the sort of course you create. Marketplaces are essentially places where the people who run them sell your course for you. So you put the course up there, they do the selling bit for you, they take a part of the revenue from the sale of the course in return for that, and everybody wins. The two best examples and the two places I do best are Udemy and Skillshare, and you can find those by just Googling them. They do sell your courses for you, but the prices are relatively low. Having said that, it's a high volume game. They have thousands and thousands, in the case of Udemy, millions of students. So by just getting a small piece of that pie, you can still get quite a nice monthly income. Platforms are where you put your course up. They host your course for you in return for a small monthly fee, and you have to do the selling. So you need to have that audience. You need to be able to go out and find people who will want to buy your courses. And the two examples I would quote there are Thinkific and Teachable. And I use both of them, and I like them both pretty well equally. So I wouldn't call out between them. But those are the 4 things, and I want to keep it simple. The 4 places, Udemy, Skillshare, Thinkific and Teachable, where you need to start about how you're going to put your courses up. Now, having your own school on a platform is important, because if anything happens to Udemy or to Skillshare, you still have all your courses. So I would recommend at the very least that even if you publish your marketplaces, you also duplicate and publish and have a set of all your courses on a platform such as Thinkific or Teachable, which you control the pricing on. And it means that you also, if anything happens to those platforms or they shut you out, you are not losing all that work and effort you've put in. So you need to start planning now how you're going to sell your course.